The Raptor shallow water anchor system is built with the trademark innovation that anglers have come to know and expect from Minn Kota. Another example of that innovation is Minn Kota Raptor's groundbreaking technology called active anchoring, which continuously monitors the Raptor's contact with the bottom and automatically maintains a secure hold, providing you with superior boat control that allows you to focus on fishing. So for example, if you're anchored in a spot and waves, wind, current, or other influences come along, these things can loosen your hold on the bottom. But with active anchoring, these things are a non-factor. Active anchoring will automatically adjust so you can count on a secure hold every time. Raptor models that include active anchoring will default with this feature turned on. You can, of course, turn active anchoring off should you choose not to use it. Simply press and hold the anchor mode button on your Raptor remote until the mode LED flashes red. To turn that feature back on, press and hold the anchor mode button on your Raptor remote until the mode LED flashes green. Active anchoring, just another innovation from Minn Kota that makes Raptor relentless. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.